So good morning. Second BA, all groups. Second year, fourth semester, Sec 2. First unit is MS Excel and second unit is MS Access. So MS Access fundamentals and basics. MS Access parts, components, different parts of MS Access and different parts, components of MS Access. What are the functionalities of MS Access? Today we discuss all these things. First one is tables. Tables are used to store data. Second one is queries. They are used to manipulate data. The third one is forms. They make data entry and display easier. Fourth one is reports. Means provide information from database users or databases to users in easy understandable format. So in the previous class we already discussed about the basics so these are the basic 5 fundamental parts or components of a MS Access database: tables, queries, forms, reports, modules, and macros. There are 6 tables, queries, forms, reports, modules, and macros. So today we discuss from one by one, beginning with the tables and how to create tables in MS Access. So to create tables in MS Access, first go to new button, simply press on, this is MS Access 2003 or Office 2003 package. So simply press on a new button by using some mouse. Then so here you seen in this window there are objects. So what are the objects are different parts of MS Access: tables, queries, forms, reports, pages, macros, and modules. The first one is tables. So in the tables again there are different options are available. As we already told in last class, tables have design view, data view. So what are the objects or components or parts of MS Access database? So there are 6 important parts or components of MS Access database. First one is tables, second one is queries, third one is forms, fourth one is reports, fifth one is pages, sixth one is macros and modules. So what is a table? Tables are used to store the physical data or physical records, like every database have some one or more objects of these, like tables, queries, forms, reports, pages, macros. And what is a table? A table is nothing but it is a place where the physical data or information is physically stored on the disks in the form of tables. So every table have a unique table name and some structure or schema, and some fields or columns with some data types like numeric, character, varchar, date, boolean, like that, and some data stored on it. And tables have different views basically. Design view. Generally tables are created with in 2 ways. First one is in table using table wizard and in design view. Design view and data view are 2 important views. In the design view we may create and modify the structure of a table, whereas in the data view we can enter the data into a table by simply typing the data or information or the records, and by using table wizard also we may create tables. So that is a table. Next one is queries. So creating the product table, here we simply create some table called product. This is the window which displays when you open in the design view, like field name, data type, description, like this. So here we enter the table description, table description of product table, like product number, product name, product description, product price, product on hand. So generally product number is a text data type, product name is a text, it is also a text, product description is memo, product price is number, product on hand is number. So generally there are different types of data types are available, like number, numeric text, varchar, like that, integer. So creating tables. So how to create, so next is how to create tables in MS Access. So how to create tables, how many types of methods to create tables, and how to enter data, what are the different data types available, all these things we are going to explain. So create tables. So create the sales and customer tables, use auto number for the sales number and customer. Remember to set the primary key and save your tables. So there are different, as we already discussed, there are two types of two methods are used to create tables. First one is creating a table by wizard. Second one is creating a table by manually or by design view. So in the wizard, everything will be asked one by one. Wizard is nothing but it is a step-by-step procedure. What is a wizard? A wizard is a step-by-step procedure to explain each and everything. And in the design view also we may create some tables. And again here we are using some different terminology, like setting primary keys and auto number. Auto number is one of the fields, means one of the field or data type, SQL data type, where the numbers are generated automatically. And primary key is also another property of a table. So entering data. So as we already discussed, every table have two parts. In the first part is design view and second part is data view. In the design view we may create the structure, table structure first. In the data view we may simply enter some data, sample data. So entering the following data into each of your tables. So we enter different types of data like product number, name, product description, product price, products on hand, like that. Entering data. So this is the sample window for taking as a customer table and a sales table. So customer table have different structures like customer name, customer last name, first name, customer phone number, state, city, state, zip code, like that. And sales table have like structure like salesman number, salesman date, product number, customer number, like that. So relationship, another important concepts in every DBMS or in every database is a relationship. What is a relationship? Relationship is nothing but it is used to join two or more fields, two or more tables by using some common fields. So a relationship is established or created among between two or more tables by using some common fields. So generally relationships are established based on some common keys used in different tables. So how to create a relationships means this is Office 2003 or Access 2003. So in the tools menu, relationship, or we may relationship is generally created with some wizard also. So this is the window how to explain about how to create relationships. So first of all you create a tools, go to tools menu and relationship, then you have to select some tables, different tables. You may use more than one table or 2, 3. Here we use customer table and product table and sales tables. So these are the three tables used: customer table, product table and sales table. So customer table have customer number, last name, first name, phone number, state. Product name table have some product number, name, description, price. Sales table have salesman number, date, product number. So here you observe that some common fields, some fields are common, or some fields are created with some common fields. So they are used to create or establish relationships among them. So they are generally used to link. Here we take or use three tables. These three tables are used to link between them. So next part or next object or next component of a MS Access table is queries. So what is a query? A query is nothing but query. A query is nothing but it is just asking some question or requesting for some data or information from the database or from the table or from the DBMS or any RDBMS engine like that. So generally queries are written in SQL language. So what is SQL? SQL is a standard English language like any other programming language, as we know that there are like C, C++, Java. SQL is also one of the scripting language. Generally it is mainly used in all the DBMS and RDBMS softwares like Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server and others. SQL commands, generally these queries are in the form of some statements or commands ending with some semicolon, and generally these are English-like languages formed with one or more sentences, and these queries are used to retrieve some data or information from the tables, databases, or to do some operations like additions, insertion of records, deletions, updations like that. So queries allows data to be manipulated. Generally these SQL queries are used to manipulate data or records or columns or data or information in a or from a table or a database. So what is manipulation? Manipulation means insertion of records, deletion of records, updation of records, and searching for a record, and sorting the records, and filtering some records like that. So doing some calculations, all these things. So what were the total sales today? How many of my customers come from out of? So there are different types of queries. So these queries are generally written in a SQL statement. So this is the database table generally used. So queries so the next object is, the first object is table, second one is queries. What is a query? Query is nothing but it is a user to ask, or it is user to request some records or information. And queries are generally of two types. Generally queries have also two ways. We may write queries by using two ways. First one is create query in design view. Second one is create query by using wizard. So generally queries in any DBMS or RDBMS are created by using two methods. First one is in design view, second one is by using some wizards. So in the design view we simply use some drawing tools to create complex queries, and second one is by using wizard also we may write create queries. So how to create queries? So this is the window explain about how to create queries by using some design view. So here we are taking two tables. First one is product table and second one is sales table. Here we are taking two tables. First one is product table and second one is sales table. So here there is a common field, one common field called product number. Here there is a one common field called product number. Why? Because to create any relationship among two or more tables like product, sales, customers, there should be one or more common field should be maintained, means common fields should be used. So by using common fields only we may create relationships among them. So here product number is the common key. So product number is called as the common key. So this is the window when you create queries in MS Access by using query view. This is called as query view or design view. So simply by simply pressing this query, it gives the output or results. So create query to determine customers who do not live in some city. So this is the form or window how to showing how to create queries. Second one is forms. So third object, there are different objects or components or components. First component is called as tables, second one is queries, third one is forms. So what are forms? Forms are nothing also called as data entry screens. Forms are also called as data entry screens. What are data entry screens? Data entry screens are simply used to when there are some as we know that when you open some page on internet in mobiles or phones, it asks for some data like information like your name, phone number, like that. All these are called as created with forms only or data entry forms only. So forms or data entry forms are used to create data entry screens to simply accept data from the end users, and they save or send it they save the data or information to database tables. So what are forms? Provide a user-friendly interface to the data. So forms are also called as data entry screens. Mainly they are used to provide you some user-friendly interfaces or user-friendly environment to accept data. Next one is control over users additions and modifications to the data. Generally these forms are used to control the input which we enter, or which they are used to design like that. We simply control the overall operations like additions, adding some new records, when we adding some new records, or similarly when we edit or modify existing records like that. So next one is forms like queries and reports do not contain data. Data is always saved in tables. And these are interfaces, or these are also called as some front end. These are also called as some front end tool. Means in the back end the original data or the information or records are generally stored in by default stored in tables only. By default, there is all the data and information is stored in tables only, but we create some interface. Interface means some screens, some interface to access and use the data and records in the stored which are stored in the forms. So next, how to create a form or how to create new forms using, again, forms are created with two types. One is create form in design view, and second one is create form by using wizard. So in the design view, first one is in the design view, second one is by using some wizard. So by using some design view, we may create these forms, data entry forms, by using various form controls like text box control, submit button control, list box control, radio button controls, checkbox controls, submit button, save buttons, reset button, text box control, and text area or remarks controls like that. And some second method is by using wizard. What is a wizard? Wizard is nothing but it is a step-by-step procedure, to create to solve the given problem. So in the next class we may continue.